any space. Keep moving, please. Hi, please slide forward to the middle. Hello, slide to the middle, please. Come to the middle. Hi, why don't you just come to the middle? I don't know. Don't ask me. Can you tell me why? Why? Tell me why.
So funny.
Why? Tell me why. You know what? It's a pop song in Hong Kong. Yeah. Okay. Turn around, say bye to them. Bye bye. Never see them again. Welcome to the world famous Central River Cruise. My name is Healing. I'm your skipper today. Hello. Now remind you that the city is a water ride, so you may get wet. And remember to take your children. Never let them go into the water. And keep all your electronic items in your bag. And then take them out. So this to me just before the journey. Okay. One question. Have you been to the tree house this one? Have you been there today? No, not yet. Do you know how to get to the tree house? Swimming? Really? Flying? Jumping? Yeah, I know that. Jump over? Quickly. I know. You can just simply take the raft over there. Can you see the raft? That one is a raft. So you can take the raft over there. And there's so many people out there. Why don't we just take a very closer look on a raft? So, yeah. Do you know what time for the fireworks show tonight? 9 o'clock, yeah. The 9 o'clock for the fireworks show. Don't miss the fireworks show tonight. Alright, there's so many people out there. Why don't we just get ready and wait for them? People on the left hand side, 1, 2, and 3. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. All of you on the right hand side, 1, 2, and 3. Bye-bye. Keep waving. We'll never see them again. Okay, now let's start our journey. Hotel organization. I will mention nice. And turn around and we are ready at the starting point of the jungle. First, take a look at our left hand side. Here I can see the elephant and the baby elephant. Oh, hi! Oh, they're really cute. Haha. Also, on the right hand side, here you can see the brother elephant. And he's taking a shower. Yeah, don't take too long. On the hand is the brother elephant and he's playing with the water. Now be careful.
Hawakan mo, baby. Hawakan mo.
Oh, he's just sitting at the wall. So, I'm going to use the sample. First, take a look at our left hand side. And here you can see the spiders. Oh, they're the most poisonous spiders in the world. And don't touch them even to a Spider-Man. And now on the right hand side of the camera. Oh, what's the word is the elephant dog with the great cobra. And the other protesters from the jungle. The king cobra is taking a jump so far. Another one on the left hand side. And we get those control and don't move. Stop breathing. Okay. Now we move
Hinabol ng rhino.
Where's that alive? I'm not sure, right? What's not alive? We're comes to the scout. And now we are entering to the territory of the headhunters. Please keep quiet. Whoa. Are you alright? Yeah. Yes, look at the hardest in here. Anyone can eat? No, I guess so. Okay, take a seat please. And now we are ready for the volcano. What's ahead is the volcano, so just remain your seat and keep all your hands inside my boat. Now be careful, make sure that you will never fall into the water. Alright, hold the handrail. Oh, the volcano is right on our right hand side. It's like a volcano. And then we all hate its blood. I'm afraid I will just stay and wait for the volcano's fire. He's coming! It's a magical thing, and we are back. Okay, let me check. Anyone to watch? Anyone missing? Clap your hands. No, that's it. We're all here. Then why don't we just get ready and wait for one of the baby elephants? Bye. Have a nice day. Alright, now get ready for the dance. So just remain your seat and keep all your hands inside my boat. Hands inside, please. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Please keep all your hands inside. Hands inside, please. Hands inside. Thank you. Take a seat, please. Okay. Say bye-bye to the baby elephant. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, last person. Join the tribe. Is it fun? Is it fun? Yeah, thank goodness. That's great. Just remember me. My name is Elaine. Otherwise, just call me Mary. That's alright.
Kuya,
Okay. Are you ready to
Ayos.
do that one in the middle and one at the back? And then we cross the window, okay? Bye-bye, you may go now. Bye-bye.